Algebra 1. Linear equations. Welcome to the next lesson. That is the topic today. And we are doing linear equations 1. Linear equations are pretty simple. And this lesson is just going to show you how simple they are. Let's look at the first one. We have 7 is equal to 2 take away x. Now, if you look in this equation, the x term is negative. Now, because the x term is negative and we're trying to solve for x, we are going to take it to the other side where it becomes positive. So, we are going to say x plus 7 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Now we take the positive 7 to the other side because we need to group the numbers together. So it becomes 2 take away 7. Because the 7 was positive on the one side, when it goes to the other side, it becomes a negative 7. So now we say x is equal to 2 take away 7. And we have a negative 5. Now I want to explain how a small number can take away a big number. So all you do, instead of 2 take away 7, you can say 7 take away 2, which gives you a positive 5. But because it is a small number that's taking away a big number in the equation, you put a negative sign in front of it, so that it becomes x is equal to negative 5. I hope that has made it clearer on how you can take away a big number from a small number without becoming confused. Now we look at the second example. Now it's 5x take away 4 is equal to 3 take away x. Now here we have both sides have got x terms on them. What we need to do is to take the x terms and put them to one side, and the numbers put them on the other side. So we are going to take the x terms to the left side because they remain positive in the equation. So it will be 5x. Then we take the negative x, cross over to the other side, becomes a positive x. So it becomes 5x plus x is equal to 3, remains on this side. We take the negative 4 from the left side, we cross over to the other side, it becomes plus 4. So it will be 5x plus x is equal to 3 plus 4. So we add now. 5x plus x gives us 6x. 3 plus 4 gives us 7. So 6x is equal to 7. Now we are going to divide. We divide the 6x so that we remain with only x on the left side. What we do on the left, we do on the right. So we are going to divide by the same number. And the number we usually divide by is the coefficient of x. Now the coefficient of x is the number that is before the x, which is the 6 on the 6x. So we are going to divide by 6. Then we cross over also, we are going to divide the 7 by the 6. So we are going to say 6 into 6 goes 1, and 6 into 6 by the x goes 1. And then our answer will be x is equal to, we'll make 7 over 6 a mixed number, which is a fraction and a whole number. So it becomes 6 into 7 goes 1, remainder 1, which is now the 1 over 6. So x is equal to 1 and 1 over 6. Number 3. We are now looking at the last example, which is 3x over 2 is equal to 5. You'll notice that there is a fraction in the x term. We call it a fraction because it's divided by 2. It's 3x divided by 2. But there's no fraction on the whole number, there's just a 5. So what we do is we multiply out by 2 to simplify the equation, so that we get rid of the fraction. So you look at the denominator. The denominator on the 3x over 2 is 2. So you multiply by the denominator number 2 so that you get rid of the 2. So we say 2 times 3x over 2 equals 5 times 2. So now it becomes, we cross out 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 2, 1. So we have 3x is equal to, then 5 times 2 is 10. So we divide the 3x by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So 3x divided by 3 is equal to 10 divided by 3. So 3 into 3 goes once, and 3 into 3 on the x goes once. So it becomes x is equal to 3 into 10 goes 3 times, remainder 1, which goes over the denominator, so it will be 3 and 1/3. So x is equal to 3 and 1/3. I hope you learned a lot from today's lesson. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below. If you have anything you didn't understand, I will explain. Any topic that you wish me to discuss or to explain, please write it also in the comments below. Have a blessed day.